Hi, I'm Tommy Guda, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use the seamless in-camera transition effect to make it look like you're playing catch with yourself. Let's hop right into filming. Okay, so here's what the end product is going to look like. Let's get right into creating it. Before you start, you will need someone to help you film. My girlfriend Kaylee will be helping me, but you can use your mom, your dad, your neighbor, your dog. Okay, maybe not your dog, but anyone that knows how to record. For this effect, we're going to need to film 2 clips. The first clip will be us throwing our ball, or apple in my case, and the second clip will be us acting like we caught the ball. We will then put them together by using a whip pan transition to make it look seamless. So to film your first clip, have the person recording whip pan the camera right after you throw the ball, as you can see here. Then, for the second clip, move to the other side where you would have caught the ball, and have the person recording whip pan at the beginning of the clip to you acting like you caught it. Now that we're done filming, we can hop right into Splice. When you're in Splice, hit Create Project, select your clips, and then press Next. Make sure your aspect ratio is good, mine is Portrait, so we can hit Create. Now that both our clips are imported, you can trim the beginning if necessary by grabbing the beginning of the clip and dragging it like I am here. Next, take your playhead and move it right in the middle of the whip transition in the first clip. Then, go to the bottom of the menu and split the clip. You can then delete it because it will get replaced by the second clip. Next, trim the second clip so it's starting in the middle of the whip pan. Take your time in order to make it look perfect. Now, as you can see, it's looking pretty good, but I just want to add a sound effect to put it all together. In order to add a sound effect, go to the bottom menu and press Sounds. I then went to the cartoon section, and I'm using the sci-fi sound effect, but you can use whatever you want. Now, as you can see, it looks really good. When you're ready to export it, click the top right button and then press Save. Thank you guys again for watching. Stay creative.